Well, everyone, I think everyone has seen now that iOS 18 has taken the world by its legs. A lot of people are talking about iOS 18, and it's a very cool version of software. But a question that you might be having is whether you should install iOS 18 right now, or whether you should wait a little bit of time and you should go ahead and install it. Now, I will tell you, I don't think anyone should be installing iOS 18 on their main device right now, unless you're okay with having a device that could have some bugs, that could have some issues. There can be a lot of situations where if you're going to go through and install something like iOS 18, you could be running into a device, where, your device may not be as strong as it was before, could have a lot of bugs, could have a lot of issues. And I would hate for you to go ahead and basically install a version of software like iOS 18 if it's not going to be this, strong, bug-free version of software. Now, a very big thing to keep in mind here too is that with something like iOS 18, this is one of those versions of software that is going to get better throughout time. So this thing is not perfect right now. This thing is going to get better throughout time, but what's the point of installing the first version of iOS 18? If you can wait like a couple of weeks until iOS 18.0.1 comes out or iOS 18.2 or iOS 18.1 comes out, those versions of software are significantly better than these ones, right? The first version is always going to have lots of bugs. It's always going to have lots of problems. And right now it's still in the reporting phase. And honestly, you're not really missing out on too much, even though there's a lot of cool features in 18.0. The real version that you probably want to upgrade to is 18.1, especially if you own something like an iPhone 15 Pro. You want to wait for iOS 18.1 anyways, because that's when Apple Intelligence is coming out. And then iOS 18.2 is bringing out even more features. You are probably better off waiting out until those versions of software comes out, because those are going to be giving you probably a more stable version of software, and it's going to be giving you those features that you probably wanted, in the beginning with. So that's another really big thing to keep in mind there too, and that's something that I look at and I'm actually very much looking forward to. So it doesn't really make an insane amount of, it doesn't make a lot of sense if you don't want to go and upgrade to iOS 18.0 right now. You might as well go and wait until 18.1 or 18.2 or something like that to get those other versions of features that Apple promised as well. Now the big thing is stability. Like I said, the first version of iOS 18 is not going to be that great, but the longer and longer you wait, the better and better it's going to be. Don't wait too long. All I'm saying is wait until 18.0.3 or 18.0.2 or 18.1. Those versions of software will be better, and then go and upgrade at that point. This one, it doesn't really make a lot of sense to go and update to right now. So from that side, that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.